Hello everyone, I congrats you on completing the Python beginner course. Today we are going to learn about Git and GitHub. Before going to continue our course and learn more about Python and go to AI and another opportunities that we have. But before that, we need to learn about Git and GitHub and version control. Why we should need to learn that? At first, I want to tell you something. Git and GitHub are for every language you are going to learn. When you go to the W3 schools, it has a Git and GitHub, and it gave you a quick review, but it's not what I want. And it also has a course on Git and GitHub that you can use. It's very official, and we are going to learn about it from this as always, or from the course that I'm creating. And why is Git and GitHub? Let's go. Git and GitHub version control for everyone. Okay, let me just go to the next page. What is Git? Git is the version control. What version controlling mean? Version control system has something that you need to understand. Why you need to understand? Let's go with our mini project that we do in the previous lessons. If you remember, we do some mini project in the previous lessons. If you remember, we have do some good mini projects. Some of them become big and some of them are small, but we do quite a good I think here we can find it. We do a good work on creating our projects. I don't know why it's crashing, but let me just search collab and see if it's work. Okay, I think I don't have the net. Okay, it's not a problem. We can simply fix it. Let me just fix it and go to Google Colab. We do some project on version control, some mini project. If you remember, I think it's in beginner course and dict exercise, function exercise. Let's go in the dict exercise that we have here. Okay, for the function exercise, we create some exercises that are small, but for something like this, that we create a big dictionary, you see, with many functions. Let's say we create this dictionary that is working great and has many functions, but at the same time, we want to add another function to it. For example, we want to add a function that can, let's see, what is this dictionary? It's a student that calculate the mean or median number of scores. And when we are adding this function to our code, we crash our past code, and now the code isn't running. Because of that, we need version control. Version controlling fix that problem and help us to improve that. In the next lessons, we are going to learn completely about Git and GitHub, version control, and why we need that. Before going and continuing to our Python course to intermediate, I think we are going to create a liker box and then go and learn about AI. Until then, don't forget to ask me if you need anything in the question, and don't forget to like and subscribe.